MTN, which is one of the best service providers in Ghana, have brought an update. And the update says that there's going to be 15% increment on the data packages you and I buy. And this is going to be hard because it's going to require you more money to buy more data to stay online. And you know how the economy is these days. And that is why on this channel I teach tricks on how to get free data or perhaps buy data at a more cheaper rate. Stay tuned as I walk you through the updates. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comment below. Till I catch you next time. Stay blessed.
Hello viewers, at Benji Bliss here, and welcome to my channel. Do you know that life without the internet is pretty hard to fathom? We use it for virtually everything in our lives, even for connecting with those around us. Today, the internet has become unavoidable in our daily life, and appropriate use of it makes our life easy, fast and simple. And on this channel I teach more on tech, make videos on how to make money, and how to get cheaper or free internet bundle as many struggles to buy data packages. Please, if you like this video, kindly smash on the like button, click on subscribe and turn on notifications so that when I release a new video, you will be the first person to watch. I would also be glad if you leave your comments below. Also let me know what kind of tech content you would want me to make videos on. Remember, I am here for you. Until I catch you next time, stay blessed. MTN Ghana has announced a 15% upward review of its mobile data prices for both pay monthly and pay-as-you-go users, effective November 14, 2022, that is today. The review covers data bundle offers available on the short code 138 and 170, as well as purchases through electronic voucher distribution, EVD, MTN Pulse, and Data Zone except for extra time. With this review, mobile data customers will get less data bundles for the same price. Now please take note of the following. A 3 Sadis bundle, which gives you 476 megabytes of data, from Monday, November 14, 2022, 3 Ghana Sadis bundle will give you 410 megabyte. A 5 Sadis bundle, which gives you 602 megabytes of data, from Monday, November 14, 2022, 5 Ghana Sadis bundle will give you 525 megabyte. A 10 Sadis bundle, which gives you 971 megabytes of data, from Monday, November 14, 2022, 10 Ghana Sadis bundle will give you 845 megabyte. A 30 Sadis bundle, which gives you 2,803 megabytes of data, from Monday, November 14, 2022, 30 Ghana Sadis bundle will give you 2153.63 megabytes. This price increase, however, does not apply to fiber broadband and fixed wireless access, 4G router or Turbonet, customers. Explaining the reason for the upward review of the data bundle prices, the Chief Commercial Officer for MTN, Noel Kojo Ganson, said the review was necessitated by the recent economic shifts leading to increasing cost of operations. These economic shifts have impacted us directly, and for us to ensure we have the right balance, we have had to consider price increases in various segments of our business. Mr. Kojo Ganson added, MTN recognizes that we are in very tough times and would like to assure our customers that we will continue to offer them the convenience and flexibility in the purchase of data bundles at their desired price points via the MTN Flexi and non-expiry bundles. Also, customers will continue to enjoy the 50% bonus incentive on My MTN app and Momo, valid for 7 days, for 4G customers. He added MTN remains committed to investing $1 billion by 2025 to continue to expand its network and improve experience for customers.